Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Heyy, and if it's your first time seeing me, kindly subscribe. Subscription is free of charge. So guys, today, have you seen the topic? I'm going to talk about how to look expensive on a budget. This one is for the girlies. I got you. So guys, I have some tips, like 9 tips to look good on a budget. It's not a must you have a lot of money to look good. Yeah, that's why I'm here. Kindly keep it locked to listen to it. Number 1, hygiene. And as you all know, cleanliness is next to godliness. So as a lady, you need to be neat. Be neat. And also maintain yourself. For instance, while choosing an outfit, you need to choose an outfit that suits your body. Learn your body first of all. Learn what goes well and what does not go well with your body. That's the most important thing. Number 2, smell good. Have a perfume, ladies. Yeah, you can get yourself a perfume, not a must to be expensive. You can just get yourself one yenye inaenda na budget yako, so that you can smell nice. Have a signature perfume. Number 3, wear jewelry. Yeah, not a must tena ikwe expensive. It's not a must. If you have the capabilities of buying the expensive one, yes you can, but if you don't, you can get these cheap ones. Yes, you can have like several of them, so that you can be changing, get necklace, bracelets, earrings, so that you can just look good. Number 4, you can enroll into lash classes or go and get lashes done. If you can really learn, you can also learn from YouTube to do your own lashes. It really works. A lot of people have done that and it works. If you don't have the money to go, not even a must, if you don't have money or you have money, you can enroll those lash classes and learn to do your own lashes at the comfort of your home. Yeah, and also the next one, learning to do your hair. A lot of people know how to braid themselves, and I'm seeing that as a good thing. Yeah, I'm also learning at the moment. I want to be doing my own hair. Yeah, like it's a good thing knowing how to groom yourself. You just wake up and do things by your own. You can learn to install your own wig. Another thing, teeth whitening. Girls, like we have to always look nice. You can opt to go for teeth whitening, or you can use the home ways, or also you can use whitening eye strips, yeah, to whiten your teeth, so that you can smile. It just brings up the glow in you. Yes, another thing you can do is you can get press-on nails, yeah, for your nails. It's not necessarily you're going to do expensive acrylics, tips, or whatever. If you don't afford, you can opt to have press-on nails. Next thing, learn to do your own makeup. You can just do a simple look, yeah, mascara, do your own eyebrows, conceal, do your lips. Yeah, like just learn to be neat, just learn to be beautiful and stunning. And also just don't overdo. If you don't know how to do your own makeup perfectly, just do a little bit. Yeah, you can just do your eye look, get your brows dark, do your lips. Lastly, know how to do your own brows, guys. Lifting, tinting, just learn them. or you can also do microblading. It's also nice. And also after doing microblading, learn how to lift them, and sometimes you can also tint them, because you can just wake up in the morning and you just see the glow in your face while having it. Yeah, learn how to do your brows. So that's the end of today's video. I hope I've helped somewhere. Yep. Bye.